should try it. We're gonna start with some Romanian deadlifts and bent over back rows. We're gonna do those, about 5 sets of those. All right, y'all. Now that that's up, we're going to head right into these kettlebell swings. We're going to swing that kettlebell for about 20 times or 20 seconds, whichever comes first. All right, now that's over. As you can see, I set myself up for success. We're going to jump right into some suicides. My gym is smaller than I want it to be, so I didn't get, as much ground to work with. But do what you can. Make sure you cover as much ground as possible. Once that's done, we're going to jump right into some knee raises. Knee raises, you're going to do that for about 20 knee kicks or 20 seconds, whichever come first. And once that is done, we're going to jump right into some glute kicks. Glute kicks, same as the knee raises. We're going to do about 20 kicks or 20 seconds, whichever come first, all right? Don't hold out. So you do everything in a circuit for 5 sets. In between each set, I want you to rest for 45 seconds only. No more, no less. You could rest for less time if you feel like you could do it, but don't waste for too long, all right? We don't want to keep that heart rate going. Let's work. So as you can see, man, right here I switched it up, you know what I mean? I'm doing some Frankensteins. I really like these Frankensteins, man. They got me swinging from back and forth like I'm dancing. But as you know, just like the other ones, you do 20 kicks side to side or until you go to 20 seconds, whichever come first. Let's go. 300 calories. Heart rate's at 130, 127 right now, but it was up to like 150. That's how you do it.